A leading medical device manufacturer was looking to develop a microscope that could help analyze large specimens. In optical microscopes, due to a large aperture, the depth of field remains limited. Therefore, to analyze large specimens, it was required to collate a huge number of images and fuse them into a single, fully focused image. We devised a solution that provided depth map and image generation, 3D reconstruction, visualization, and analysis, robust image alignment, color correction, advanced noise suppression, resolution of background blotchiness, and 3 times faster execution compared to other algorithms in the market. We developed and filed a patent for the extended depth of field imaging algorithm. The licensed algorithm was delivered to the customer with a one-time charge and royalty per use. This enabled our customer to observe and analyze large specimens. To summarize, we provided R&D and advanced engineering services to the customer. On the technology front, we supported the customer in advanced image processing. We took 100% ownership and helped our customer achieve 3 times faster speed and superior quality output. We filed a patent for high-speed focus stacking and 3D reconstruction. L&T Technology Services, engineering the change. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, please contact us.